So this is a tangle that was live that started out as a square turned into a diamond, and then we were doing the tangle hurry. Then we added lots of other things to it. So we started out with a square, and essentially on the outside of this piece of paper I put 4 dots in each corner of pencil and created a pencil border. And that just helped me decide where to put this square, but it is a diamond really, the way I have it set up here. Then we auraed the inside of it and we put the Tangle Hurry inside. And some of this I'll go through it slow at first and then I'll speed it up. But then we ended up adding some Muka and Flux. There's so many tangles in this tangle. It's amazing. So hang out, watch. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. This would have been a great one with color if I would have had time to add color. But let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you enjoy this, and I'm just going to let you enjoy the music. Remember, start with gratitude, appreciation, breathe in the things you're grateful for, exhale all the junk, and be sure that you're thinking about those things I talk about all the time. Holding your breath, biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw, holding the pen too tight, pushing down too hard with the pen, and take the tongue off the roof of your mouth. Enjoy. I'm going to pop in here. So once you have all of these lines, essentially what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the first one and aura it on both sides. So this is the first long board or line. So it's kind of like halaba. And then we're going to aura both sides, and then we're going to go to the second one, and we're going to aura both sides of that, and then the next one and the next one. And then you're going to do that until there's no space left. And some of the space may disappear before others, and that's okay. Just go with it. And there is no such thing as a straight, perfect line. So don't attempt it. Just go with it. Sometimes they might run into each other. Sometimes they're wobbly. It's okay. Tell your ego to just take a break and enjoy. Hurry, but not in a hurry. So I love the Tangle Muka, so I decided to add Muka. I like to look in pencil first to see where I want to put it, and then I ink it. So we just went ahead and inked some Muka on the outsides of each of these. Then what we did is we auraed inside the triangle where the two Muka meet at the bottom and coffered it, which means we take a corner of the triangle and connect it to the outside triangle, which is what's being auraed, and you'll see when I do it. Then we added some flux on the inside of that, and then the rest of it, just have fun. And you don't have to use the tangles I used. This is just what everybody voted on when we were live. So enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe. So shading I'm speeding up because shading is personal. Make it your own, do your own thing. I did a little bit live, but then this is what I ended up doing to it. And here it is. So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. There's a link in the description of this video that shows any of the tools that I use, where to get them. I have an Amazon affiliate link that has a list of Tangle supplies I use. And the pens I usually use are Grabby, which also have a link and a code. So don't forget to subscribe.